Okay guys, so we got a snorkel kit here on this ATV, and what I wanted to do was kind of show you this. It's all 1.5 inch piping and couplings, so kind of starts here, goes up. See, it's got flexible fittings like this. Then it kind of goes up, showing you how it's routed, and then goes up through the roof. The air box, get some light. There's the air box, comes out, goes through, and kind of goes this way down to another flexible fitting down here to the transmission. So so these are CVT vents on this side and this side right here, and then the airbox vent. Those all go up and get snorkeled to here. Reason why I'm showing that, quick video, but reason why I'm kind of showing that is because I wanted to buy one of these snorkel kits. Ended up buying a RZR that already had it on there, but I had searched high and low for what the connections look like, and the product data on the manufacturer's side, you know, doesn't show anything, doesn't show any of these connections. It just shows, you know, the snorkel's up there. That's it. That's all you get to see. So, you know, you've got these flexible couplings, and I need to tighten that one up because I had actually just had this apart to replace the air filter. But anyway, just thought I'd kind of show you how it all works. This is electronic fuel injected EFI. However, there really is no difference between this and the carbureted version. So anyway, for those that were curious what it looks like for the install, there you go. It does appear to be a pretty good kit. I mean, I'll give you that. If you don't feel like fabbing your own, buy this. I can't comment on the install because it was installed before I had it, but my guess is it's a little my guess is you do have to do some work. I don't know if the fittings are all pre-made or not, pre-glued. I don't even know that these are glued actually, but I think that's about it. The other thing I noticed is I don't know if this is in the instructions for the install or not, but the lid for the airbox was sealed with some sort of gasket maker, and I also noticed they sealed around the spark plug with some sort of gasket maker. I'm about to change the spark plug, so won't be like that for long. But anyway, for anyone who was curious, just wanted to show you and go from there. Thanks. Hope that helps.